What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to delete, how to completely remove the previous Windows installations, residues, so the trash that stays when you upgrade your Windows to newer versions. Yes, this stays on Windows and you need to remove this manually. How to do this for free is what we're gonna learn to this video, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to your start menu. Into the search, we're gonna search for clean, just like this. Disk cleanup, it's a system program, okay, so nothing to worry. Right click over it and run as administrator, okay, this is very important, you must run as admin. Wait while the page loads. Of course it's gonna change according how often you do this, how often you clear your PC, how big your PC is, how deorganized the computer is, okay. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it takes for me, okay. And the very first option, the two very first options, let me just unmark the other ones to make the process faster, just like this. So I have these two very first options: Windows Update Cleanups and Windows Upgrade Log Files, okay. Both can be removed. Delete files. I'm already removed mine some weeks ago to do a test, so there's no big deal, there's no much files on it, but on yours you may have a couple of gigabytes, okay. So just wait for the process to finish up and you are good to go. Simple, easy and very effective. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.